Are you trying to search in Vermont for businesses? Today we're going to go through the Vermont Secretary of State, and we're going to show you how to get that data via API. So if you're doing this data in any kind of mass search and you want to automate this process, we're going to show you how. All Postman and also with the JavaScript SDK. I'm Jordan Hansen from Cobalt Intelligence. All right, here are the fields available in Vermont. Quite a bit. There's nice officer information, which is one of the best in my opinion. There are no documents. You can't get documents from their Secretary of State for some reason. You can get other things such as status, the standard, state of formation, filing date. Here's Vermont, Secretary of State. You can search for different things here. Search by business ID, which is their entity ID or filing number. The filing number apparently is different from a file number. And then also you can search by contains or exact match. Looks like you could also search by things like city, the name, all those kinds of information. We're gonna start over here. We're just gonna search for pizza in the business name. It'll return a list of results. You hit that search, hit that list of results. You can tell which ones are active or not from here. Let's look for an active one. 802 Pizza LLC, that looks nice. I'll copy that, then we'll go into it. So it has the registered agent information right here. This thing was originally registered in 2021, so fairly recent. This one right here does not have the principals listed, but you can normally get the officers if they're available. Go over filing history and we can look at documents. You can see here, this is the Vermont Secretary of State search. One cool thing is it does have industry. That's not always common in all the states. All right, this is the Cobalt Intelligence portal. You can come in here to test data. So right here, we're gonna search, and this will go through and just process all that and then bring back the data in a nice JSON format. I don't think, if I remember right, I think Vermont sometimes has a CAPTCHA. I'm not sure how long this will take. It should be pretty quick. I think it's a simple CAPTCHA. If it does, oh, good, no problem at all. So it returns all this data right there for you, all in an automated fashion. And now we're gonna show you how to do it in Postman. So Postman, this is what your URL will look like in Postman. You're gonna pass in your business name and the search query parameter and then the state and the state parameter. And these are the only required fields you have to pass in. And you're gonna pass in the API key, which you get over here. You're gonna pass in your API key right here with x-API-key and the value right there. That's how you authenticate. Now I'm gonna come over here. We're gonna go to right here. Then this SDK is a JavaScript for JavaScript users. Just pass in the API key right here. And then from there, you can take that and go SOSAPI.getBusinessDetails, pass in the required fields like business name and state. And there's other options you can pass in, such as screenshot if you want a screenshot, or if you want to search by street, city, and zip. All that information's right here. So for example, let's look at that screenshot, see how it looks. There it is. So then you can have that screenshot in an automated fashion. You can just take it and put it in your files and show that you actually did your due diligence and came over here and proved that you checked out Vermont.